Hey guys, it's Dylan Skinner. I'm going to teach you how to tilt. First, you're going to want to be able to hop pretty high. Not necessarily as high as me, but yeah. And then, want to get the spinning motion down. Get that nice and fast and quick. Then, practice those all the time. And go off curve or something. Get a little bit more hang time and just kind of go for it. At first, your tail should look a little something like this. But then, after you get better, take some more dials, faster, it should look a little bit like this. Alright, that was Dylan Skinner. You should subscribe, and that's how I tilt.